Here's what happens to common construction materials with time and weathering. Water enters hairline cracks. Water corrodes reinforcement bars, which expand 3 times as these take up oxygen. This leads to cracks on the concrete, which results in a vicious cycle of cracking and more water ingress. In metals like GI sheets for roofs and gutters, rust will develop. In lightweight materials like plywood, the wood will rot. Prolonged exposure to the elements will make your PVC pipes brittle. Cracks will develop in concrete gutters. When using cement as a tile adhesive or using concrete in thin sections, the tile or the thin section will eventually fall off because of poor adhesion. Here's a versatile solution to all these problems. Introducing the Island concretobond. Concretobond is a polymer dispersion that is used to modify concrete. Here's what concretobond can do. Concretobond can be used as a waterproofing plaster to prevent cracks and concrete spalling. It can be used as a primer to prevent metal corrosion. Applying the concretobond over lightweight materials makes it look like concrete. It has the added benefit of making the wood fire retardant. Applying concretobond over PVC pipes protects it from the damaging effects of time and elements that make PVC pipes brittle. Concretobond improves bond adhesion, and it has proven to be a better concrete tile adhesive that prevents the tiles from falling off. Concretobond can also be used to repair concrete without the cracking and delamination in thin sections. Lab tests show that concretobond improves water repellency. When concretobond is added to a concrete mixture, it enhances tensile strength by almost 3 times compared to unmodified concrete. Concretobond improves flexural strength by almost 3 times. Concretobond also improves shear bonding adhesion by 15 times, so concretobond can easily be applied on surfaces that are difficult to adhere, like old concrete, PVCs, and metal. Here's how to mix concretobond. As waterproofing membrane, use 6.5 to 8 kilograms of Portland cement per 4 liters of concretobond. For best results, use 5 kilograms of Portland cement per 4 liters of concretobond. This mixture can cover 10 to 12 square meters per gallon of 4 coats. To use it as a rough mortar, mix 3/4 part concretobond, add to 1 part of Portland cement and 2 parts sand. As fine mortar, mix 3 parts concretobond and 8 parts Portland cement and 1 part water. This can cover 9 to 10 square meters at 2 mm thickness. As a concrete tile adhesive, mix 1 part concretobond, 1 part Portland cement and 2 parts fine sand. This can cover 7 to 8 square meters per gallon. The concretobond can easily be applied using a brush, roller, trowel, and notch trowel. It can also be applied using a textured roller and a spatter gun. Concretobond plaster may be top coated with Island latex or Island Texacoat systems. Island concretobond may be recoated in 2 to 4 hours or when the cement has set. Just like cement, curing takes 28 days. To solve the problems of concrete cracks, brittle PVCs, metal rust, wood rot, and tiles falling off, use the versatile solution. Use concretobond.